I'm Dave Brown. Our Model 7 presses with EasyWizard software are capable of detecting 4 common operator errors. That's a long cycle, a short cycle, a hot cycle, and a cold cycle. This feature, and not only does it detect them and alarms it so the operator knows they did it, it also counts the number of times that an operator committed this error, and it stores that count in permanent memory so a supervisor can examine the error counts and determine if his employee is properly trained. I'm going to show you what happens if you get a hot cycle error. When you pull this handle down, it gave you error hot cycle. This means that this press was set for 380 degrees in 8 seconds, but the temperature was up around 400 degrees when I pulled the handle down. I'm going to hit the button to clear the air, and I'll wait until it resets to the proper temperature. Okay, at 387, that'll work. Now I can pull the handle down and it'll work. I'm going to demonstrate a short cycle to you. If you put your garment on there, you pull the handle down, and you do not wait for it to time out, and you lift the handle early, you get an error short cycle. I clear the air, then I pull the handle down and I apply the label properly. You have to wait until the computer counts down to 0 before the handle pops up. Don't lift it early. Okay, I'm going to show you what happens when you commit a cold cycle error. Okay, so the temperature is supposed to be 380, it's only 363. If I pull the handle down, it says error cold cycle. The solution is push the delta key to clear the error and wait till it gets hot enough. The machine has to be within 10 degrees of your preset temperature in order to function properly. Okay, now I can pull out a label. It tells you what to do right here. If you get an error cold cycle, it says press the delta key to clear the error and reapply the label properly. When you have an easy press, it's possible to do a long cycle. If you pull the handle down and then you go answer the telephone and don't come back when the buzzer sounds, it'll give you a long cycle. It'll wait an extra 10 seconds after the timer times down to 0, then it will turn the power off to the heater so you won't damage the clothing. A common problem is you try to pull the handle down and it won't lock down. On a pop-up press, it could be because somebody turned the power off when the shuttle bar was all the way forward in this notch. Okay, another common occurrence if the handle won't lock down is the backstop screws need to be adjusted. This is complicated. Just give us a call. We'll tell you how to do it over the phone.